Hi, this is Diane from Treasures from Jones with the top 20 high protein foods to eat for optimal health and weight loss. Protein supports our organs, muscles, skin, and hormones. Protein helps you lose weight and increase muscle mass. Protein helps lower blood pressure and fight diabetes. The protein RDI, or recommended daily intake for women, is 46 grams and 56 grams for men. So let's get started with this list of high protein foods that will keep our bodies at optimal levels. A whole egg is a nutritious food with 6 grams of protein. Almonds have 6 grams of protein with fiber and vitamin E. Popular chicken breast has a whopping 53 grams of protein. Oats have 11 grams of protein with fibers and minerals. 1 cup of cottage cheese has 28 grams of protein. 6 ounces of Greek yogurt has 17 grams of protein. Milk has almost every nutrient that the body needs with 8 grams of protein per cup. For those who don't tolerate dairy milk, non-dairy soy milk has 6.3 grams of protein per cup. Compared to other vegetables, broccoli and Brussels sprouts have high-quality protein of 2 to 4 grams a cup. Lean beef has 25 grams of protein per 3-ounce serving. A 5-ounce can of tuna has 27 grams of protein and omega-3 fats. Quinoa is a superfood with 8 grams of protein per cup. Whey protein has 30 grams of protein and aids with weight loss. Lentils are plant-based legumes with 10 grams of protein per serving. Check the link in the description below for a fabulous vegan and raw food recipe cookbook. Ezekiel bread has 9 grams of protein per slice. Pumpkin seeds have 9 grams of protein per ounce. A 3-ounce serving of turkey breast has 26 grams of protein. Peanuts help you lose weight with 7 grams of protein per serving. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video today. I hope you found the information valuable and useful. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you'll know when the next video is posted. Stay safe and healthy now. Bye-bye.